Yeah, there's nothing happening, and I've just been dispatching it. It's been fucking dead, so you may as well get on and do something.
Are we jumping into a call?
You want to do something together? I got points.
I got points. Let's do it.
We got to do
I have
something
one.
big.
I have a singular point.
I don't be able to do much of that. You good in? You good in? Come on, guys.
Stupid motherfucker.
Calvin, what's the plan?
Check Diego Charlie.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Union 2 direct to Romeo 10.
Control direct the unit that requested 32s to Yellow.
631. 631.
Charles 46, are you sufficient on units?
Negative, I have none, and I've got about 8 people around me.
Bravo 406, I know it's not my jurisdiction, but I'm getting ready to pass by there. Want me to attach?
Bravo 406, you're clear to return jurisdiction. We have enough units en route. 5 David 13, 6 X-ray 10. Respond code 3631 to the Yellow Jack for active 1010 in progress. Respond code 3.
5 out of 1-3. We have about 10 units on scene, I'd say. We'll be sufficient on scene. We're good.
Yeah, Charlie 46, we're sufficient now.
I copy. If you want to have some units clear off.
5 Union 2 Central, can you advise the status on 2 Romeo 10?
A firm control calling 2 Romeo 10.
Go ahead.
5 Union 2, my apologies. Can we go back to back on the 10-1?
Over.
Oh yeah, stand by. Control's gonna be 10-7 real quick. I have to reset TeamSpeak.
User disconnected from your channel. Over.
5 Union 2 Central.
5 Union 2.
5 Union 2, you can show 2 Romeo 10 and route down to my scene at 634. If you want to attach me in CAD, please.
I copy. What's the postal for that scene once more?
It's going to be the 634 scene. I can get you a CAD reference number if you want.
Affirm, I have that. I'll be attaching him. .164, go ahead. .164 from you're showing up on board. Control calling to Romeo 10.
To Romeo 10.
If I can have you relog into CAD, I'll have you popping up on my board.
Okay.
Charles 293.
293.
I'll be out with a 1050 826 Marina Drive. 3 Charles 20 is with me.
I copy 826 Marina Drive for a 1050. Can you 10 on that other unit that's on scene?
3 Charles 20.
I copy. I'll show you on a 1050.
David 303 control.
303.
I'm gonna be 10-7, 1042. Thank you for dispatching, sir.
10-7, 1042, 2050. Zulu, have a safe day. You're clear.
Does it send for the dispatch?
749.
Show me 10-8, 1041, sir.
Copy 10-8, 1041, 2050. Zulu, have safe patrol.
Charlie 46.
46.
Copy a 28 for me, please.
Go ahead.
Sam 33, Young 34. Sam 33, Young 34. Should come back to a Dodge Challenger. If you could just tell me who it's registered to, I'd appreciate it.
All right.
3 Charles 46.
Go ahead.
Comes back to a Gus Ford. Do you want a 2729?
10-4, sir.
Three Charles 46. Be advised, Gus 4 comes back to a Whiskey Mike, black hair. It's going to be 5'7", date of birth 6/16/1997. Registered address is going to be Grapeseed.
Copy the record. Has he got any warrants?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
10-4. Appreciate it.
Alright, so...
2 Charles 46. I just stopped that guy not even 2 minutes ago for 29 and 35. Or correction, 29 over his speed.
There we go. That's the one I want to use.
User disconnected from your channel. Over.
What's that gonna be? There we go.
3 Charles 293 control.
Go ahead.
Do you have any medical available?
User disconnected from your channel. Over.
Negative, I do not.
Ooh,
Copy. Can you just start county medical to 826 Marina?
A from County Medical is going to be en route 826. You're clear about 5 miles out.
Do you know 17?
17.
Show me out at 908 O'Neill Fire on a shooting on private property. No freight use needed.
I copy. You said O'Neill Properties. You have nearest Gross Road.
Nearest would be O'Neill Way and Union Road behind it.
I copy Union Road. You're clear. No additionals.
Bomb. 2 Bravo 406 to control.
406.
Show me back 10-8 in jurisdiction.
I copy back 10 8 20 54.
Whiskey 22.
Whiskey 22.
Can I get a crashing down to 826 Marine Drive? At the boathouse.
I copy 826. Stand by. Control calling 5 Mary 171.
171.
Five Mary 171. Are you gonna be active crash? Mary 171.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm gonna be in the Union as well with 194.
I copy 494. If you can have them log in SCAT, I'll get you in a unit group.
10-4, he should be. Where are we going to?
I copy. I need you en route to 826 Marina Drive. 826 Marina Drive for a crash unit request.
Alright, we'll be in route.
Right, 600 dispatch.
Go ahead.
I got traffic ready.
Romeo 600, go ahead.
Southbound 486 Ellis Freeway on a grade 2 down Silverado.
Copy. Do you require any additionals?
Yeah, right, if I've brought me over one more. I'm currently MBE.
Copy. How many occupants are going to be in the vehicle?
Looks to be just 2 occupants.
I copy. I'll write you one additional 486. Standby. Control point 2 Bravo 54. To George 54, new call assignment going to be 486 Los Santos Freeway, 486 Los Santos Freeway. You're going to be backing up to Romeo 600. Respond to your discretion.
I'm 97. Is he north or south?
I believe he's going to be southbound. Control.
Yeah.
Disregard. Continue.
Yeah, right, from 54 will be southbound.
Romeo 28 to control. You see me on your board, sir?
208, I got you on my board.
4, thank you.
Okay, now I
136.
Contact 110-8, active San Andreas Highway Patrol K9.
K9 136, 10-8, 1 2057 Zulu has a patrol.
change that up there. And
Charlie 46.
Go ahead.
This debacle has been straightened out. Everything's code 4, all units back 10-8.
Copy. All units on scene at 634 for that. Disregard. All units on scene at the Yellow Jack 631 for that fight in progress. Clear cheer. Control 1 5 minutes.
Chop. This was radio signal.
Stand by.
Oh no.
5 minutes. 171.
That's it.
10-9 last.
Can you 71? Correction. Can you advise status?
Of the accident here, 86. We're 23. We have a vehicle with very minor problems. We're currently looking over it.
Not coming. Last unit.
Oh. Damn. Charlie 46. Do we have fire, Jenny?
Negative, sir. We don't. Copy.
Yeah, 10-4. I copy.
Charlie 20 direct through Charlie 10.
10, go ahead.
Hey, just confirming you guys are going to be bringing that subject back here, correct?
Yeah, he's running from us right now. We're trying to get him right now.
Wonderful.
Paprika. This is one called. What is it called?
New dispatch, 1028 area/property check, SD, Marina DR, 808.
Officer down, 634.
Uh-oh. Where?
5 Union 177. My partner got hit off his bike here. 634. Start medical if you have it.
Copy secondary control, calling anyone able to activate volunteer staffer.
Oh, so he's fine. I mean,
Last
he's
call
not
for
fine.
any volunteer staffer.
Wow.
Copy, it's gonna be county medical to 634, 2 mics.
10-4, thanks.
What am I trying to do here? There we go. Should be echoing.
Right, Mary 200, will be back 10 off the traffic stop.
Back 10-0205.
Check doors. Different areas. Gates. Make sure nothing's fast. Property owner is not home. They're not in town, so they asked the county to keep an eye out. Because they get suspicious. You get a lot of messed up activities when they're gone. So that's what we're doing. Just checking the place.
Union 92 control.
Union 92.
Got any available 1051s?
That's gonna be a negative, sir. It'll be county.
10-4, if you can send them down to 632 Route 68 for a blue lawnmower. Thank you.
Copy, they'll be en route, routing shortly. 3 mics.
Alright. Let's see.
Cannon 128. Go.
128.
Cannon 128, midpoint 129.
0208, welcome aboard.
Alright. And we're gonna be clear of that call. And on to the next building. User joined your channel. On to the next property.
56, 3 Sierra 92 direct.
Go for 3 Sierra 92.
Next
Sierra 92, you available for
property
10-1,
on
sir?
the list
10-4.
Will be is liquor.
User disconnected from your channel. User left your channel.
K9 611 traffic. I got a 1011 when ready.
K9 611, place the first, please.
127 Innocence Boulevard. It's gonna be a black truck, black two-door truck, occupied ×2 in the 32s.
It'll be 127 Innocence black truck, occupied ×2.
Unit at 127, is it a gray Silverado? Older style.
-111, yes it is.
New underwear.
What the hell ever?
Okay, just have a hard time hearing. Good luck.
Controls out of channel L1.
User left your channel.
Life sucks, then you die.
What the hell ever?
I wish I'd gone to college.
What the hell ever?
Hi, David 7 to the units on Route 13. Let's go ahead and spread out, please.
God, help us.
Kiss my ass.
Go for 20.
You at SO2 or you at the scene of the accident?
We just add on.
I'm at
Oh,
800.
God.
I can be at SO2.
You didn't think I could beat you, did you?
No. Let's go. Just
Yeah,
go,
you got
just
the
go.
dude's information and everything.
Jesus!
We're fine.
The registered owner of the vehicle was a Milton Shores.
We'll pretend that didn't
Roger.
happen.
You searched the vehicle at all?
You go ahead and smoke your stuff.
Negative. I believe
head
the
out.
crash units might have.
There we go. So,
Control to 3 Charles 357.
Go ahead.
New call assignment 804 Zancudo Avenue, behind the 24/7. It's gonna be a possible dead body at a muscle car. If I could have you check that out, please.
10-4. Do I have a description of the car, sir?
It's a muscle car parked in the back of the 24/7.
10-4. Attempting to locate.
Open your eyes, shithead. I'll kick your fucking teeth in. I'll teach you something.
Copy. Advise if you would like any additions.
Anyone else?
10-4.
Crime control.
Yankee 55.
Thank you, 50. We're gonna be 10-6 heading to Echo.
10-6-02-12.
455 control.
Nora 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a horizon or this room. Nora 505, can I control?
no, he's not.
Nora 505.
Alrighty, now what I was trying to say is, can I have a highway crash unit out to 510?
Copy. Control to any 5-tom units.
Primary 177. We've got heavy shots fired in Grapeseed.
Oh,
right now.
my friend
Investigating.
code 0, so let me just park this.
Copy. What's your location?
7.
Grapeseed, I think it's coming from the farm, but we'll just investigate for now. Might be private property.
317. It's Clifford O'Neill Jr. shooting on his property. I've already verified him.
2 Bravo 520, is there a current operation going on at 123?
Aw, that's messed up. Did you drop the
Sugar
dead body?
520.
By accident?
Unknown. Control has not been
That'd be
notified of
messed
any
up.
operation.
If that's what happened.
3 Charles 357 dispatch.
357.
Be advised that sports car and the dead body was just a mortician taking care of his job. Will be code 4.
Copy code 4. Control that to the unit that was requesting crash. No response on that.
Next property is going to be the motel in Harlem. Here we are. Stop.
It's Union 57, Metro.
57.
You willing to attach us over here to the 1011 and 127 Innocence?
Copy. Have you attached?
3 Charles 357 to any available Juliet unit.
Union 42.
New dispatch. 1028
Union
area
42,
slash
can you
property
10-1 real
check.
quick?
SD. Route 68.
Sure.
615.
Right, that's small. He is home. He's responding somewhat fast. Okay.
Three Sierra 53. Control calling 3 Sierra 53.
Send it.
3 Sierra 53. I've still got you on the board at 819 Panorama Drive. What's your 1073?
It'll be clear here. I'm at SO2.
10-4, 0218.
3 North 17.
North 17.
I was involved in an MBA 631 Panorama Drive with a local. If you grab me a crash unit, an ambulance, and fire. Also,
Copy. Control to any volunteer suffer or anyone that's able to activate. Last call for any volunteer suffer or anyone that's able to activate.
Queen 53 is not good.
Copy 53.
53, can you advise where and why it's needed?
It's gonna be MVA at 631, also involved with the local.
I copy, we'll be here at station 2 shortly. Foxtrot 700 is medical needed or?
That's an organized fight.
Control to the unit that was involved in the MVA, if you could advise.
3 North 17. Either one. Our vehicles are smoking, and this local seems to be unconscious.
591 for the charge system.
Foxtrot 700, I'll be activating an engine if there's at least not injured here for this fucking vehicle.
194 to any unit that stopped a Clifford O'Neill Jr. at his house. Did you inform him that his bolo can be cleared?
3 North 17. His bowl is open. I can't clear. I was in the primary unit, but we can't do anything about it without the primary unit.
So is this bolo still active, or?
It is in fact still active. You can't charge him on it as the primary units aren't on.
.202 my turn. Second in control calling in 3 North 17. There's going to be no response when you crash. You'll have County 51s en route. It's going to be 3 minutes. Yeah, you have suffer.
Everything you need to do.
3 North 17 temper.
In terms of arresting, know if there is sufficient everything checks out. Yeah,
Second in control, go ahead with your traffic.
take care of it.
Show me a 1011
Same thing with a warrant. That's
two-door,
like saying you can arrest
black
by
color van.
got a warrant. Just primary
Can't
unit
tell
or the judge
the amount of occupants, but one is confirmed.
Is it on?
Sonora Freeway northbound lines posted.
That's not gonna
lane
stop.
647.
I copy. I'll show you on 1011-642 with a 2-door black van. Do you require any additionals?
That is one of the things about playing that's kind of like.
Grab me one down here, sir, if you don't mind.
A-Farm, I'll write you one
If it's
additional if I can
because
also
of
have you relog into CAD.
Storyline, then I understand that. But if we're speaking on like
Control calling 3 Charles 8.
then yeah, you're able to basically.
Go ahead.
3 Charles 8, new call assignment, 642
everything
Sonora
together.
Freeway for the DT request.
Go with it.
You can reference K9136 for more information.
Ah. Look what overcorrected.
Three North 17 from 3 Union 42.
3 North 17.
Can I get a quick 10-1 with you, sir?
Crack some of the tiles in the changing room.
Alright, well, before I break my fucking hip.
So, you're going
We
off
haven't already
Title
done
2,
that.
Section 8, Vandalism. Then we're going off for felony charge. This is a flexible charge. This is up for this is a flexible charge. It's up for debate. You'll be taking a base rate of a felony charge.
Oh
with
my
some
no,
total of 10,000.
mind.
How you guys doing?
I just got my
Pretty
lights
good.
stolen.
Just watch out, cause there's
3 section
There's a
11,
loose
which
bike.
is
Put it in
arrest,
Yeah, there's a
which
lieutenant
comes with a
driving
base
around
at
the station
$5,000
in a
and
bike.
it's a misdemeanor charge for say San Andreas.
Copy, control.
You want to know what you vandalized? Is when you backed into the backed into the side of my.
Get a 136 for heads up.
Isn't this the sheriff's office? I don't think they.
1010 in progress across the street from SO2.
I copy 1010 in progress. Stand by. Or
So you'll have a copy of all of my information. And when you go down to the station, have a good rest of the day.
Additional, please. You just assaulted me.
Abram.
Oh, someone's getting assaulted. Fuck.
818 Alhambra driver 1010 in progress. One times officer assaulted. Respond code 3.
You've got a bunch
K- Stand by 1. K9136. Can you advise your postal for your 1011?
Guess I got typing to do.
Postal 640 across VU2.
Is it responding to
Draws
the
a copy
trailer?
direct.
Oh my god.
I copy. Can the units on scene at 818 advise me?
One's being compliant, one's not. Stand by.
2 Bravo 520 control.
Stand by 2. Stand by 1. Go ahead. I copy. Stand by 2. Go ahead.
2 Bravo 520. I'm gonna be 10-6 off comms about 8 miles.
Two Bravo 406 control.
406.
Should be 1042, 107. Dispatch.
Jeez.
2 Bravo 406, 10-7, 1042, 2024 Zulu. Have a safe day.
5 Union 71. You
How
got
you
a
doing, Mr.
71 near
Logan?
908.
Officer Barrio, how you doing?
I do not believe so, but I can get a 71 en route.
Thank you.
10-4. We've
again
got
for
a
your
it's per
support.
civilian
I
request.
really appreciate it.
I copy. You said 908, correct?
Yeah, 908 O'Neill Farm.
Copy
I can't
908,
believe
no
he just
O'Neill Farm.
responded
Stand by
with
for me.
a-
Control going through Charles 10.
With with a trailer and that and a gator attached.
10, send your traffic.
He responded, or she responded, code 3.
Charlie 10, can I reroute to the O'Neill Farm 907 request?
Yeah,
guy,
it'll be a moment. I'm on foot patrol, so I'll make
the
one
one
over there.
moving and running right now, he wasn't compliant apparently.
Three Charles 10. I can have another 71 en route.
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'd appreciate that, man.
I copy. Stand by. Control point 5, David 12. Control point 5, David 12.
3 Charlie 20, calling control. I'm at 900.
Hey, what
Skyfall
happened?
Road. I'm right down the road.
No!
A from 3 Charles 20.
Not
seconds,
again.
leading out to 908 O'Neill Farms.
Oh, where is he?
Behind you.
Oh, he's over here.
Swing this.
Josh, you good?
No. Fucking locals, man.
Hey, Josh, you wanna know a secret?
What? Swear to God, if you say something stupid.
You can feel this tomorrow.
Can the primary unit on
Oh, what
scene
now?
of 908 advise?
You can feel this tomorrow.
5 Union 71.
Where'd my gun go?
There was a fight.
Go,
Broke
yeah,
out,
okay, one
and
more.
then I think a deputy tried
5
to
Union
contain him,
71,
and
from
then,
3 Charlie 20, you guys are gonna be on the
I'd say
property.
first just carry up to
5
Sandy
Union
Medical to
171
be right there.
God damn.
So
The
he's
locals
not-
cutting me off. I'm gonna bite
Look at
you,
that.
for fuck's
The
sake.
doctor, look at that. The doctors are running down with a
171,
stretcher.
It's gonna be with Mary 194.
I'll get him County
Yellow
Medical
attach you
there.
into a unit group.
10-4, thanks.
So guys, you looks like you have this under control, so I'm gonna go back to
Really,
that.
road rashes.
Take care. Hey Josh,
Yeah, bye.
I'll just, you're gonna
Road
feel this
rash
tomorrow
and-
too.
Road rash and thoughts on left arm?
He'll be fine.
Hey, Kanga, tell him not to crash again.
I'll tell him not to. It's been the second time today, so it'll probably happen again.
Yeah.
Whiskey 44. Control point 3, Whiskey 44.
Free whiskey 44. He's got contact done.
22.
Bicycle.
It's over there, but someone was calling over radio, so...
Now what? I was in the hospital.
Yeah, well, you gotta respond to your radio still.
Where's my bike?
It's right here, bro.
That's it? Oh.
Yeah, I moved it for you.
You know what? I'm clearing up. I want that. I don't want anything to do with that. That just seems like such a mess.
Union 92 Control. Gonna have the traffic whenever you're ready.
I think I just saw someone
Signal
speeding
go.
down.
Control, I'll go ahead and take the traffic road.
10-4. It's gonna be Route 13 and Route 68, 632, just off the on-ramp, or correction, off-ramp. We can get one highway for jurisdiction. It's gonna be with a white two-door Challenger.
Kirby 632 off the off ramp. You need a highway unit with a two-door Challenger. I'll get you a highway.
Jeez.
3 North 17 from 3 Charlie 20.
Can't believe that happened.
3 North 17.
Can you turn on real quick?
Oh, yeah.
Then I want 3 do this. Show my 1011. Clear, so.
I copy back in 2030.
2 Union 57, dispatch.
Go ahead.
10-8, back in service.
Copy back to 2023.
K9 611, same traffic.
Secondary control holding 5 David 749.
10-4.
Can I have to 632 off the off ramp for a highway jurisdiction request?
10-5 being around.
Alright. Let's go check out the U-Tour.
Control point K9 611.
Go for 611.
73.
I'm back, code 4. 10-8.
Copy back code 410 2031. 2 Bravo 57, same traffic. Two Bravo 57.
Union 57.
Union 57, advise status.
We're tonight. We just called in a minute ago. We're just on patrol.
Copy back tonight.
Back to someone.
Go ahead.
Show me 23.
Copy 23, 2032.
There's a top right there too, so all units secured.
Control point 3, Charles 8.
Go ahead.
73.
Traffic south code 4.
Copy code 4 back 10-20-33.
Hey.
What? Control going 3 Charles 357.
Yeah, there are you.
Yeah. You see that box truck or is it just...
73.
What box truck?
Oh, no, never mind that.
Yeah, no, seems being stupid.
Yeah.
Status.
How's it been so far?
Good, pal. How
Oh,
are
you
you?
can show everything code 4. Sorry about that. We're talking to my lieutenant.
Yeah, I've been here for a little bit. Nothing's happened.
Yeah. Check it out. That's secure.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well, enjoy the weather.
You too, pal. Have a good one.
So that's all good. To go. The recycling center? Since that belongs to the county.
2 Bravo 159. 159. 10-42-7, thank you for dispatching. I copy 2 George 159, 10-7, 10-42, 20-35, Zulu, Pack 6.
New dispatch, 1028 area / property check, SD, Cat Claw Abe, 637.
Property check. That's going to be Cat Claw Ave. There you go.
You're 92 control.
Go ahead.
Traffic.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, standby signal 100 is not effective, panic button press.
Whiskey, 52, I'm gonna be unseen here, he's just fallen off the mountain on his bike.
I copy, do you require further additionals?
Yeah, I'm on a bike, so I'm gonna need someone else here.
I copy, I'll route you a couple additionals, control going 3 Charles 223.
Go ahead.
Correction, K9 128.
K9 128.
Cassidy Trail, 848 Cassidy Trail for a downed officer, fell off a cliff, response code 3, time of attachment's going to be 2037.
497.
Station 2, you want me to respond?
Station 2, you're clear to respond as well, yes.
Whiskey P52. We're gonna be pretty much directly under trail marker 1009.
Copy Station 2, I'll be activating our brush here to head up there.
That's there we go. Alright. Code 4.
Cannon 1 turn, I'll be at 4-8. Do you know the exact postal?
A firm 5, I believe it's gonna be. Stand by. I believe nearest trail marker is going to be trail marker 1009. Trail marker 1009.
Jennifer.
Let's not do that.
Control calling any unit able to activate ASU. Control calling any unit able to activate ASU. If able to activate, please contact control.
Look up the National Park. What else? What else? Oh, that's a big deal. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Cannon 1 turn, I'll be up at trail marker 1009. I don't got eyes on any vehicle or anything right now. I'm gonna be on the lookout still.
I copy. Be advised, they're going to be in the dead center of the cliff. I believe if you go down to trail marker 1008, I'm currently tracking their radio, and you go on that path at trail marker 1008, you should be able to see them. I do not know though.
Hey, firm, I'll try and get up there.
Right, Marine 600 dispatch.
Go ahead.
Well, I've got traffic already.
Be advised, there's held.
My apologies.
I need to get some more beef jerky.
User was moved out of your channel. User was moved to your channel. Over. User was moved out of your channel. User left your channel. Over.
I need some more beef jerky. Mr. Logan.
User was moved to your channel. Your channel. Over.
probably out with seems to be an abandoned vehicle. It's bound Joshua Road by the substation. I didn't actually call that in because there's help, so. There's no mention no one's in here. And then call local toll.
User disconnected from your channel. Over. User left your channel. Over.
There we go. Get back in.
Fox, or sorry, Station 2 control.
Station 2.
Alright, Rush, did you use the possibility you can get a squad here on standby for transport?
Be advised, I don't believe we have any other active staff.
Alright, I copy.
I can try and get an activation if you'd like.
Let's hope, or shoot, if you could, just for, I just need a transfer.
You like that?
No, not really.
On your standby, say you don't want how to start with that.
You know, it's not just cause like
Control point 3 Charles 92.
3.
this isn't all about like
Control point 3 Union 92.
hop in, shoot 'em up.
Go.
Action.
3 Charles 505.
You know, all that.
Go.
5 David 12. 5 David. 7 Echo.
Oh, look at him. Oh my god.
Union 92.
717 for major shots fired at the Humane Labs. Response code 3 times attachment. Going to be 2046.
5 David 12's en route.
North 5 en route.
Whiskey 52. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a Juliet unit. Would you like me to route down there when I'm available?
A from your clear to route down there once you're available.
Yeah, for sure.
Station 2, I'll get some traffic as well.
Oh, sorry. So, to apply for the community, they are actually...
Any other units that were not called out, don't attach.
3 Union 402 Central. You mind if we attach as ACE for that Humane Lab shots fired?
42A from your clear to attach. Clear to attach as ACE.
Five Mary 194. Are you calling for high risk or SBI, sir?
We have ACE currently activating. We should be clear
Okay,
until then. I'll
applications are only...
15. We'll advise when we get on the scene. We're almost there.
Applications reopen December 31st.
If we have a supervisor already route to the scene there, I'm gonna stop at station here and prepare for high risk if we need
So
it.
they are no longer taking
A, be advised,
right
we're gonna have ×2 supervisors in route 5 David 12 as well as 5 David 13.
5 David 12 on location with command.
As far as I know.
I copy all units on scene with 717 for the Humane
the
Labs active shooter. Please move down to TAC 1 for more information. All units on scene.
Item 13, I need the air dispatch. We have shots fired on location. Send that high risk team. We have barricaded suspects inside the building. 2 box trucks covering the entrance. Again, shots fired on location. Send us the high-risk team.
I cop. Units that were able to activate high risk, activate high risk. Gonna be active shooter, 2 box trucks, multiple people barricaded inside the building.
So
Keenan
I'm not
126,
high
I'm
risk.
on
I'm not
HBK9,
anything like
but I can
that.
activate SWAT if need be.
So with that being said, I'm actually gonna end my stream here.
Flag Mary 194, I can activate as high risk, sir.
If I did, then I would probably.
Units, you're clear to activate
I
a
don't.
high risk search.
So,
Jolly at 52. I'm gonna head
With
back
that
there,
said,
so
thank you for
I'll activate
watching.
a backup.
yeah, there's a.
To Bravo
link
111, any
to the
PD
application,
supervisor.
But like I said, they're not.
15, any high risk unit in the
right
state is
now.
clear to activate if it's SWAT or whatever. You can all come. I'll just
They'll
go
come
back.
back up.
Units
12.
on scene, be advised, we're currently on a call with the 911 caller. They're currently stating that there's at least two active shooters, multiple people being shot at. All units on scene at that 718 call move down to TAC 1.
Yeah, see.